Assalamu alaikum there. I am Imad, your instructor to guide you the best way to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So before going to start the process, I want to make you familiar with 5 terms which I will use later in this video to implement the formula to solve the second and third phase of the Rubik's Cube. So the terms are R dash. R means this is R. This is R dash. R dash means R complement. R. This is L, and this is L dash. This is U, and this is U dash, and this is D, and this is D dash, and last one is F. F is this clockwise rotation, and anti-clockwise is F dash. So watch this video till the end so that you can make or solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube easily. Okay, now I'm going to start by taking white color as center, and first I want to tell you the flow which I am going to follow to solve this Rubik's Cube. First I will solve this face to be white, and then make this is orange, this green, this red, and here I make it blue. Then after completing this phase, this is called first phase. So after completing first phase, I will solve for second phase. So I will solve this and this, these four to be same as the blue and orange, and then similar to orange and green. Then after completing two phase, then I will solve for the third phase. So for the first phase only, you use your mind, and then rest of the phases will directly solve by using the formula. I will tell you the formula later in the video. So let's start by taking the white color as center. So first I have to make the plus sign and then make the corners white. So for the plus I have to make here the white and orange. Here I have to make the white and red. So I can do it here also, but it will be hard to make it white. So it is easier to make white on these sides, and then rotate it by 180 degrees to take it on that white center face. So first I made this white. Here is white, and then here is another white which I can use, and here is another white. Here we got the three whites, and the last remaining is here. So I got the four white faces. So now the next thing I have to do is that match these two with the white color, and then rotate it by 180 degrees to take it to the on the face which have white center. So okay, so it is not matched. So first I have to match this orange and the white, so rotate it by 180 degrees. Then go to the next center, it is green, so make it green. Okay, so rotate and make it green, and white here rotate by 180 degrees. Then on the next face I have red center, and here's the white, and rotate by 180 degrees. Then on the next center I have blue and white, and then rotate by 180 degrees. So here I created the plus sign, and the next thing I have to do is make these corners correct. And for this here I have to put white, red, and blue color. So find the white, red, and blue. Here is the white and blue corner, so I have to make it here. So for this, just down it, and two times left and up and right, and then one time down and then one time left. Then you got that. So you will know there are two types of corner you will get. Sometimes it will be here, sometimes it will be here, and sometimes it will be here. If it will be here, then it is easy to just put this and this down and then left, but it is not the way here. I will tell you if I got any corner like that. So next is white, green, and red. So white, green, and red. Where is white, green, and red? Here is the white, green, and red. Now it is on the right side. So right side is only two things I have to do. Just down it and do it left. Then I got the corner, and then I go back above. So now I have solved the two corners are remaining. So here I have to put white, orange and green. Here is white, orange and green, but it's not the position, so I just remove it here, and now it is here at the bottom. So I have to do 4 steps. First do left, above, and then left. This on is on the right side now, just down and left. Now I got that. So the last remaining is here. So now I got the here. So you have to just rotate it left and then down, then right. Now you can see we have solved the first phase by making these centers same as this. So this is completed, first phase is completed. Now the rest two phases are going to be solved by formula. So I will write you the formula. First you have to see what I have to do. So this is matched blue and red, so I have to make it right. So for the right I will write the you can see the formula on the screen. So I am going to solve it. You just follow the formula and you can solve this or put this on the right side, and then find these. Here is the green and orange. So green, first make it green. Here is the green and here is the orange. So orange is will be put on this, green and orange. So again it is going to be put on the right. So I just follow the formula. So here you can see I got the right side. Now find the next. Where is it? So here I have blue and orange. So blue and orange is on the left side. So you will see the formula on the screen for the left side. So just follow the formula. Okay, so you can see I got it correctly, and you have to see that the completed cube will not be disturbed by any of your steps. So you have to use the same formula which I am using it to avoid any changes in the completed cube. So I have to put this on the left. So again use the formula. Okay, now our two faces are completed. You can see two phases are completed. Now we have to solve for the third phase. So for the third phase you have to first see the top of the cube. So here plus sign is already here, but if it will not be here, maybe it will be point, it will be this L shape, and maybe it will be a straight line. So let me change this to make you familiar with all the things. So now here is the straight sign, or you can say minus sign. So for this you have to follow the formula which you can see on the screen, through rough. So it will be on the straight horizontal, and you have to implement the formula from this phase where it will be straight line horizontally. So it is be free rough, F R U R dash U dash F dash. So now you can see the plus sign. Sometimes it will be L or dot. For that let me change it again. So sometimes you will find it like this, L. So for L you have to use the formula for earth, F U R U dash R dash F dash, for earth. Okay, so hope you get it. And for the dot you just use any formula for rough. Then you have to see what sign you will get. It will be straight line or it will be L, then use the respective formulas to solve it. So we have to create the plus sign. Now match these, as these are already matched. Let me change it so to tell you in good way. So now it has been changed. So to make these correct, here you have a formula. First you have to match two colors where two colors are matched. So here is the blue matched, no, green is matched now. Oh, okay, so here I found the green and orange are matched. So to make if you get these type of combination, so make one you have to one correct match you have to put it on the right and one on the back side, and so you have to follow the formula from this face. So formula is r u r dash u r u u r dash u. So you have to see, as you can see, all the parts are same and has been changed, and we got the correct results. Now maybe you get some not right and back side of these bottom matches. So let me check if r u u r dash u. So these are matches q r u u r dash u. Let me check if I got correctly. No, it is matching. U. Okay, so now I got it. So sometimes you get like this, one face is this and one face is the opposite. So you have to follow the formula by taking one of completed face is on the right and one on the left, and follow the formula from this face or from the 180 degrees, anything you can take. So r u r dash u r u u r dash u. So now see if it is you get something. Okay, now you got the red and green here. So you have to follow the formula by taking one on the right and one on the back side, and follow the formula r u r dash u r u u r dash u. So you can see I got it again correctly. So the next step you have to follow, you have near to complete, you just need to make the changes here. These corners are going to be changed to complete this Rubik's cube. So I have to start you have to start just find some any corner which is on the correct position. Maybe it will like this. This is also correct, its position is correct, because here we have to put yellow, green and orange. So here is the yellow, green and orange. Rest of the three are not same. So we have to start from taking this as a corner, and it will be on the right side, and then we have to follow the formula which you can see on the screen: l u r u dash l dash u r dash u dash. So now see if you got the correct. No, it is again the wrong. So again use the formula l u r u dash l dash u r dash u dash. So you can see it is put on the right position. This is on the right position. Its position is also correct. Its position is also correct. Now we have to just change these color to be yellow must be here, blue must be here and red must be here. For this you have to take correct on the top, and then solve this formula by using r dash d dash r d, then r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d. As it is matched, so just rotate it by anti-clockwise, and then r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d. Now it is matched, so rotate it by 90 degrees, then again. So now it is solved. So this is all. So now I'm going to tell you two tricks to make it designed. Just rotate two of the sides by 180 degrees, and then make it 90 degrees, and again 180 degrees, rotate. Then here you can see the pattern, and then go to the next. Here you there is no pattern, so make it horizontal vertical lines and rotate it by 180 degrees. Then you can see the pattern here. And to solve again, make it 180 degrees, then again 180 degrees, then rotate this face and 180 degrees. You can see I got the correct again. Now the next pattern is to change the center. So to change the center, and the remaining will be orange, just rotate it by 90 degrees. Take it to right and left arm and rotate by 90 degrees, then 90 degrees rotate, and then again 90 degrees, then 90 degrees rotate, again 90 degrees, then 90 degrees rotate, and again 90 degrees. You can see the center are changed. You can see the changes. This is the another pattern. To solve this, you have to just take just like this. I'm going to take this blue, so take blue horizontal lines here, vertical lines here. So this is changed, and then again I have to make the yellow. This is yellow, so put it here, yellow, and then it is yellow, then take these yellows here, and now the last is red, and red is here. So now it is solved again. So that's all.